There's another thing I'm gonna do today. These were another thing that I noticed weren't on YouTube that I always get at Target. These are the M-100 smoke crackers by TNT. These are just from Target, but they are really good smoke bombs. If you wanna, but these are really cool. So I'll show these to you. All right, guys, there is a smoke cracker. I do love these though for $1 a piece. They do make quite a bit of smoke. Alright guys, and to end this video off with something big, I have 6 smoke bombs fused together. So I'll light these for you guys. Alright guys, this is not working. They're not shooting out smoke. It's just flames coming out because they're sideways. One of them's working. So there's only 2 of them that end up working. Alright, but there you go guys, that is the M-100 smoke crackers by TNT. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below.